Hi, Dr. Tina here. This morning in meditation, I got an analogy that I'd like to share with you. It's about perceiving ourselves, the way we perceive ourselves, and wound care. So, when I was a nurse, I used to do wound care. I was a wound care specialist. And sometimes there were wounds that took a long time to heal because the infection was sometimes hidden. It took acknowledgement, assessment, and much patience in finding the root cause of that infection. Once I identified the tissue that was infected and took the time and patience and care to remove that debris that was causing the body to feel unhealthy, that wound began to heal. But I had to remove that part of the tissue that was not healthy for the body in order for the wound to heal. And I want to compare that to our negative perceptions about ourselves. Sometimes we have perceptions about ourselves that are affecting our mental, our emotional self, our life, and our relationships. And those negative perceptions can be a host of things. Doubt, guilt, just fears, not enough. That's the infection within us that is causing our life to not experience the joy and the peace that we so deserve, that we're meant to have. So the treatment for that is acknowledging that we're suppressing some things within us, some negative perceptions that are not working for us. The first thing is acknowledgement of it, and having self-compassion for ourselves as that perception comes up about ourselves, that doubt, that guilt, that fear, and making a commitment to ourselves to no longer identify with that. That part of ourself is not who we are, those negative perceptions. It's not who we truly are as a divine essence. And it takes our choice, simply our personal choice, to say, that's not who I am. I choose not to identify with it. It's not serving me in my life, and it's not serving others around me. It's a false perception. It doesn't line up with my divine self. So as we have self-acceptance and compassion and self-gratitude, that light is going to start melting away those negative perceptions. So I encourage you today to give yourself that self-acceptance, compassion, and gratitude for who you are, and allow that light within you to melt away that perception that is not you, and that somewhere in life you identified with the doubt, the guilt, whatever it was, but it's not really who you are. It doesn't align with your divineness. Just like physical health supports the body, so too loving perception of ourselves support our divine self. So be good to yourself today. A little mantra that I say to myself: I am love, I am compassion, And this brings me into wholeness and health and peace. Have a great day.